Good evening, good evening. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Can you hear me? Yes, yes. Mahaganadhipataya. Yeah, children, good evening. Right. Is the board is clear? Board clear, huh? Yes. Good evening. Yeah. Okay. There is a square ABCD. There is a square ABCD. Angle PQR 90 degrees. This is 90. PQR 90. ABCD is a square, and you know that each angle in a square is 90. And what is given? PB, QC, and DR. They are equal. We need to prove that. First one, QB is equal to RC. Second one, PQ is equal to QR. Third one, angle QPR is 45 degrees. This is what we have to prove. Children, see. ABCD is a square. Angle PQR is 90 degrees. PB, QC, DR are equal. And we need to prove QB is equal to RC. PQ is equal to QR. And angle QPR is 45 degrees. See, if PQ is equal to QR, automatically angle QPR 45 degrees. The second one is done, third one is automatically over. Now, how to prove the first one? QB is equal to RC. How to prove it? How to prove QB is equal to RC? Any idea, children? Don't feel that R is the midpoint of DC, P is the midpoint of AB. Anukuntunnarevo kaadu. It is not like that. How can we prove PB is equal QB? QB is equal to RC. How can we prove it? Shashivardhan Nallamalli, okay. Yeah. QB and RC. In order to prove that they are equal, we need to prove this triangle and this triangle both are congruent. If we prove these two triangles are congruent, then automatically QB is equal to RC by CPCT. Are they congruent? Are they congruent? Triangle PBQ and triangle RCQ. Are they congruent? Okay, PB is equal to QC, correct? Angle B is equal to angle C, correct? What else? PB is equal to QC, given. Angle B is equal to angle C, 90, given. What else is equal? Yeah, I'll tell you. Angle B, angle C, 90 చెప్పేశారు కదా. Okay, I'll tell you now. See. Given angle Q 90 kada, angle Q 90. I am naming this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. Can anyone say what is angle 1 plus angle 2? Angle 1 plus angle 2, how much can anyone say? I am naming this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. 180. Mahesh, you are saying 180 why? Nitin 180 why? Angle 1 plus angle 2 how much? Shashi Vardhan Reddy 180. It is 90 because angle 1 plus 90 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 90 degrees is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90. Now children, I am naming this angle as 3. I am naming this angle as 3. Can anyone say what is angle 1 plus angle 3? What is angle 1 plus angle 3? Tulsi Vardhan says 190, Ashish 90, Akshay 90, yes 90. What is the reason? Angle some property of triangles. Angle some property of triangles. If this angle is 90, sum of the other two angles also 90. In triangle RCQ, angle C 90. So sum of remaining two angles is also 90. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is also 90. Children, observe these two equations. Observe these two equations. Euclid వస్తాడా రాడా? Euclid వస్తాడా రాడా? Angle 1 plus angle 2 90, angle 1 plus angle 3 90. Euclid axiom వస్తుందా రాదా ఇక్కడ? What axiom? What axiom? Bhavya. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, right? So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. The angle 1 is there on both sides, we can cancel it. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now children, you see triangle PBC and RCQ. PBQ, RCQ. PB is equal to QC. Angle B equal to angle C. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Are they congruent? Are they congruent? PB is equal to QC. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle B is equal to angle C. Yes. By AAS congruency. By AAS congruency. Triangle PBQ is congruent to triangle RCQ. CPCT QB is equal to RC by CP CT. Not only that, not only QB is equal to RC, PQ is equal to QR also. Not only that, PQ is equal to QR also by CP CT. One bird, one shot, two birds. Yes, one shot, two birds. Both required proofs are done now. Since these two triangles are congruent, QB is equal to RC, PQ is equal to QR by CPCT. Now, how to prove angle QPR is 45? Anyone say? How to prove angle QPR is QPR 45. QPR 45. How to prove it? See children, since these two sides are equal, these two angles are also equal. Isosceles triangle property. So, now in triangle PQR, angle sum property of triangles. X plus 180, 90 is equal to 180. Then 2x is equal to 90, x is equal to 45. So what is x? QPR or QRP, whatever it may be, 45 degrees. QPR is 45 degrees. Understand children? If you like this problem, take the screenshot. I am giving you time. Done? Yeah. Yes, children. Now, I am giving you another question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. In which AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Okay, na? Now, we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to prove that Can you hear me? Given, what is given? AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Given AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. We need to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. How? How to prove it? Then you need to recall parallelogram definition. You need to recall parallelogram definition. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So then it becomes a parallelogram. So we need to prove AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to DC. In order to prove ABCD is a parallelogram, it is enough to prove AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to DC. So to prove this, what to do? Any idea? To prove this, what to do? Any idea, children, from your side? Okay, draw the diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is drawn. Okay, next. Clearly, both the triangles are congruent. Clearly, both the triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. They are congruent by triple S criteria. Okay, what else? After that, what to do? After that, what to do? After that, what to do? Yeah. After మనం ఎలా ఆలోచించాలంటే, in order to prove that two lines are parallel, what we have to prove? In order to prove two lines are parallel, in order to prove the two lines are parallel, ఇదో ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇదో ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? How can we prove that these two lines are parallel? Okay, మీకు తెలియకపోతే ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకోండి. If we prove a pair of alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. First option. Second option, if we prove corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel. Third option, if we prove sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal supplementary, the lines are parallel. ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆల్టర్నేట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నా ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు, కరెస్పాండింగ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేసినా లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్ అవుతాయి. లేదా సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆన్ ద సేమ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ సప్లిమెంటరీ, దెన్ ఆల్సో ద లైన్స్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్, since these two triangles are congruent, this angle is equal to this angle by CT. I am naming this angle as 1 and this angle as 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CT because these two triangles are congruent. And you can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. And AC is the transversal. So automatically AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Now, what I will do is, I will join the diagonal BD. I will join the diagonal BD. Now, triangle BAD and triangle BCD is also congruent. triangle DAB and BCD, they are also congruent by triple S. By DA is equal to DC, AB is equal to DC, and BD common side. BD common side. So triangle DAB congruent to triangle BCD. CPCT, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. CPCT, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate angles and BD is transversal. 3 and 4 are alternate angles and BD is transversal. So AD parallel to BC. Previously we proved that AB parallel to DC. Now we prove that AD parallel to BC. Now both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Since both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Understand, children? So మనం ఏం చేయాలి? AC diagonal draw చేసి you need to prove one pair of triangles are congruent, and BD diagonal draw చేసి కూడా prove చేయాలి. Okay? Yeah. Next question. Next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral, children. ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this, diagonals ACBD, they bisect each other at right angles. They bisect each other at right angles. We need to prove ABCD is a rhombus. We need to prove ABCD is a rhombus. What is given? Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That is given in quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That is given. We need to prove ABCD is rhombus. This is given and we need to prove that. Now, I want ideas. What else is to prove that ABCD becomes a rhombus? What else is to prove? What else is to prove? Sir, by proving all triangles are congruent so that all sides becomes equal. Yeah. See, if we prove all sides are equal, all the four sides are equal in this quadrilateral, automatically that quadrilateral becomes rhombus. Now, how to prove all the sides are equal? Okay, first we need to take AOB DOC. AOB DOC. Yeah. Are they congruent? Are they congruent? Yes, AO is equal to OC. BO common side. AO is equal to OC, BO common side. What is the third part? What is the third part? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other given, na? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other given. That is the third part. AO is equal to OC, BO common side, and angle AOB COB 90 degrees. AOB COB 90 degrees. SAS congruency. CPCD AB equal to BC. CPCD AB equal to BC. Now consider these two triangles, this one and this one. Again they are congruent by SAS. BO is equal to DO, CO common side, and 90 degrees is also there. 90 degrees is also there. So by SAS, triangle BOC and DOC are congruent. Triangle BOC, DOC are congruent. So CPCD, BC is equal to DC. BC is equal to DC. Similarly, DC is equal to DA. Similarly, DA is equal to AB. So all four pairs of triangles are congruent and all sides are equal. So A page student, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COB. Triangle BOC is congruent to triangle DOC. Triangle DOC is congruent to triangle DOA. Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. These four pairs of SAS congruency criteria. You need to prove all the four pairs are congruent. Aithe children, when you are writing this answer, you need to prove only one pair congruent, and you can write the remaining pairs similarly. The remaining pairs are also congruent. So all sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, DA are equal. So in quadrilateral, if all sides equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. If all sides equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angles, then that figure is nothing but rhombus. This is what you have to understand. Okay. Next. Last problem for today. ABCD is a parallelogram. If this angle is 72 degrees, angle A is 72, can we find all the remaining three angles? Can we find all the three angles? ABCD is parallelogram. Can we find all the three angles, remaining three angles? No. Mahesh, you are not able to find. Yeah, if angle A is 72, then what is angle C? If angle A is 72, then what is angle C? 72 only opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Yeah. Then what is angle B? What is angle B? Akila Samina says angle B is 108. Why? What is the reason? Why angle B is 108? Why angle B is 108? Darsh Jain. Yeah, everyone is saying that angle B is 108. Why? I want reason. Why 180 minus 72? Mahesh Karri. See, you are not saying the reason, you are giving the answers. Yes, adjacent angles are supplementary. Very good, Tejan. In parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. So, angle A plus angle B is 180. A is given 72. B is equal to 180 minus 72. 108 degree. Now, angle B 108. Then what is angle C? Angle D, sorry. Angle D 108. Why? Adjacent angles are. Angle D is also 108. What is the reason? Opposite angles are equal. Very good. Opposite angles are equal. చూడండి చక్కగా ఒక parallelogram లో ఒక్క యాంగిల్ తెలిస్తే we can find out remaining 3 angles. We can find out remaining 3 angles. So అలా అది రావాలి అంటే ప్రాపర్టీస్ బాగా తెలిసి ఉండాలి. You need to know the properties very well. Okay na? Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.